Hello, everyone. Welcome to my How to Feng Shui live channel. Welcome. Today, I'm going to talk about Feng Shui tips for the study. We are going to talk about the space, the desk, and the Wenchang star. I will give away the list for the locations of Wenchang Wei tied to your birth year. First, let's talk about the space. A study is where one reads books, thinks, and plans. It should be in a quiet location where it's free of disturbance. Avoid setting the study in a narrow space that makes people feel cramped. A triangular shape of space is not suitable for a study. It's better if it's in a rectangular shape. The study must be kept tidy, bright, and well ventilated. The morning sunlight is a plus for a study. If the study faces the west and there is a big window that takes in too much strong afternoon sunlight, there should be green plants to partially block the sun. A cozy study is better than a study in a wide open space. Also, the furniture made of wood is better for a study. Arrange the study in an elegant style and in the light colors, not in unorthodox styles. Next, let's talk about the desk. The desk is the main object in a study. Even if you don't have a study in the house, put a desk somewhere in the house. It is better if there is a space in front of the desk. Do not put the desk against the wall so that one has to sit facing the wall. Instead, one should sit at the desk with the support in the back, meaning the person should sit against the wall. The desk should not be in the straight line of the door. Above the desk, there should not be a beam or a big lighting fixture. Move the desk to avoid such issues. The study ought to be kept tidy. The windows should be clean and bright. Books should not be a pile of mess on the shelf. It is better if the bookshelf is in the back or on the dragon side, the left. Finally, let's talk about Wenchang star. Wenchang stars governs the exams and the promotion. Wenchang Wei in a house is the location that is best for a study or a desk, because Wenchang star promotes studying, thinking, and decision making. There are two ways to decide the direction for Wenchang Wei. One is based on where the 9 purple-white stars land. The link of the purple-white star is down below. For 2021, the Wenchang star lands on the east. The other way is depending on your birth year. It is fixed with your birth fate. If it's possible, arrange a desk in this fixed direction. Otherwise, place the desk in where the rotating Wenchang star lands. However, this is only effective for 1 year. The fixed fated Wenchang Wei is tied to Tengan year. It runs on a 10-year cycle. If you would like the list of where the Wenchang Wei tied to your birth year is located, click the link down below. I will send it to you. We will stop right here today. If you have questions, leave a message down below. 谢谢收看。如果您喜欢这个视频，请订阅。Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the button to subscribe for more contents. I will see you again.